To troubleshoot a BMO business credit card, start by identifying the issue. Common problems include declined transactions, lost or stolen cards, and account access issues. First, verify that your account is active and in good standing by checking your online account or contacting BMO customer service. Ensure that your credit limit has not been exceeded and that your card has not been suspended due to suspicious activity. If your card is declined, check the expiration date and ensure that it has been updated. Also, confirm that the card information, including the card number and security code, is correct. For lost or stolen cards, immediately contact BMO customer service to report the incident and request a replacement card. You can also use the BMO mobile app to lock your card and prevent further transactions. If you are experiencing account access issues, reset your password or username by following the prompts on the BMO website or mobile app. If you are still unable to access your account, contact customer service for assistance. To prevent future issues, regularly review your account activity and report any suspicious transactions to BMO. Keep your contact information up to date to ensure you receive important notifications and updates. By following these steps and staying proactive, you can quickly troubleshoot and resolve common issues with your BMO business credit card, minimizing disruptions to your business operations. Remember to always keep your account information secure and monitor your account activity regularly to prevent potential issues.